Hey everyone, my name is James Lawton. I'm the head of DevRel here at Sequence, and today we're going to look at getting started with using our Unity boilerplate with our embedded wallet. So once I'm authenticated within Builder, I'm going to go ahead and just click New Project, and then I'm going to go over and choose one of our boilerplates, the embedded wallet in the Unity game. From here, I can go ahead and click See on GitHub, and that'll allow me to clone the repository in order to get started with the embedded wallet. So let's go ahead and do that now. So now that I'm on that GitHub repository, I'm going to go ahead and just copy that repo. I'm going to go ahead and open my terminal and then clone the boilerplate to my computer. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that into my Unity application. So let me go and select the boilerplate. I'll go ahead and open that, and it'll begin the importing process into Unity. So once that's done and it's been imported into Unity, what's really nice about this is we have environment variables already provided for you, so you don't need to customize your own embedded wallet and add your own functionality. It's already created, and so you can get started right away. What we're going to go ahead and do is go down to our scenes. We're going to select a sample scene that's already set up for us, and we'll go ahead and import that. And from here, we're going to go ahead and build this particular application. And now we can see that we have a sample UI that's already created with a Sequence embedded wallet. Whenever we authenticate, that will give us access to that non-custodial Web3 wallet from Sequence. And then we can go ahead and do any kind of functionality that we would like using a traditional wallet, like signing a signature, getting that signature, and then verifying it, sending transactions, all that good stuff is completely compatible. So we'll go ahead and add the documentation as well if you'd like to get started on that. But otherwise, you can go ahead and use this to get started right away with incorporating blockchain technology into your Unity game.